In this video, we're going to go over how to use Turnitin as a student in Canvas. First, we're going to click on our assignment. A few minutes after we submit our assignment, we should see a colored flag appear at the top, along with the similarity score. This score is relevant, but it's important to click on our flag to understand the full meaning behind the score. Now that we're in our assignment, we're able to see that the instructor left a lot of instructions at the top, along with different quotes. So it makes sense that a lot of these are highlighted. Coming down to our paper, we're able to see very few areas that are highlighted. Coming over to the right-hand side, we're able to click on our match overview. This shows us different percentages that contribute to our total percentage. For example, on number 2, if we click on it, we can see that this paragraph was also submitted to this college. That means that it's contributing 8% to our match overview. Next, we can come down here and click on all sources. This shows us the different sources that are being used in our paper. Next, we're able to click on here, which is the filters and settings. This has a few different options. The first of which is excluding quotes. You can just check it and then come down to the bottom and apply changes. We can see that this lowered our overall match percentage because it removed sections with quotation marks. Coming back to our filters, if we remove that, we can apply changes, and our match percentage is back up to 37%. Along with that setting, we're also able to exclude bibliographies and exclude sources that are less than a certain number of words, a certain percent, or by default, not excluding by size. Lastly, we're able to change the highlighting settings. Hopefully this video allows you to become more proficient with Turnitin.